Hello students, welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, today I am here with a exercise of your chapter number 5, that is bones and muscles. So students, in our previous video we studied that our body are made up of different parts, that is eye, ear, nose, leg, etc. So students, some parts of our body are soft and some are hard. So students, the soft part of our body are called muscles and the hard part of our body are called bones. Each part of our body is important. We do different things using different of our body, like running, swimming, jumping, walking, etc. So students, let's know how to write hard words in your copy. So students, firstly you have to mention the date. Okay, you have to mention the date and mention the chapter. Like here chapter number 5 is mentioned and the name of chapter is bones and muscles. So you have to write the name of the chapter. Then you have to write word in left side of your copy and write meaning in the right side of copy. Similarly like this. Okay, then you have to write the hard words in a word column and you have to write the meaning of that word in the meaning column. So students, our first hard word is muscles. So the spelling of muscles is muscles, muscles. So students, the meaning of muscles is soft part of body. The next word is framework. The spelling of framework is FRAMEWORK, work, framework. So students, the meaning of framework is basic structure. Students, in our previous video we learned that the framework of bones are called skeleton. It means the basic structure of bones are called skeleton. Our next word is support. So students, the meaning of support is hold firmly in place. Our next hard word is able. It means power. So students, without skeleton we would not be able to stand. Our next word is protect. It means to keep safe. So students, our skeleton protect the soft inner body parts, that is brain, muscles, brain, heart and our lungs. Okay, now let's come to the next word, that is joint. So students, joint means place where two bones join together are called joint. So students, we can bend our body in our joints. Now the next word is stiff. It means difficult to bend. Our bones are stiff. The next hard word is bend. It means move. Now the next is around. It means in every direction. Now let's come to the next word. That is together. It means with. Healthy. The next hard word is healthy. It means strong and well. So students, to keep our body healthy, we need to regular exercise and eat healthy food like milk, fruits and vegetables. Now the next hard word is various. It means different. The next hard word is allow. It means permission. The next word is enough. It means sufficient. Now the last word is upright. It means vertical. So students, for a good posture, you have to keep your body straight and in upright position. It means vertical position. Okay students, now let's come to our next exercise. Name the following. Here some sentences are given. You have to read the sentences carefully and write the name of the first one is a framework of bones that supports our body. Students, you know very well, a framework of bones that give shape and support to our body are skeleton. So here our answer is skeleton. Now second, the hard and stiff parts of our body. Students, in the explanation of this chapter, you studied that the hard and stiff part of our body are called bones. Students, do you know how many bones are there in a human body? There are 206 bones in a human body. More than 200 bones form the human skeleton. Okay, now let's come to the third sentence. That is the place where two or more bones are joined together. So students, in the explanation of chapter, we learned that the place where two or more bones are joined together are called joint. So here the answer is joint. Now let's come to the last sentence. That is the soft part of our body that help us move our bones. So students, in the explanation of chapter, in second topic, muscles we studied that the soft part of our body that help us move our bones are called muscles. So students, muscles, bones are covered with a muscles, and muscles are covered with skin, and muscles help us to move our bones. Bones and muscles together help us to move, work and play. So students, to make our bones and muscles strong, we must regular exercise and do various activities like swimming, playing football, playing tennis, etc. And you have to eat healthy food at right time. Okay students, you have to write this in your copy and also learn the hard words and this exercise also. Okay, so the remaining exercises of this chapter we will learn in next video. I hope you understand this exercise by this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to do your homework. You have to write this and learn also, and you have to read the chapter also. Okay students, bye, take care, have a wonderful day. Meet you soon in our next video. So do practice this at your home.